Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through a tongue step-by-step guide on how to add a new website in Hostinger in 2025. Whether you're launching your very first site or expanding your online presence with another project, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it with zero confusion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important tips before publishing your site. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to hostinger.com. On the top right corner, click Go Login and sign into your account. If you're new, simply hit Sign Up and create an account. It just takes a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll land in Hostinger's HPanel. This is your main dashboard where you control everything. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option that says Add Website. This button is usually right in your dashboard or navigation bar. Click on it to start setting up your new site. Now, you'll need to enter some basic details. This includes your domain information. If you already own a domain, you can link it here. If not, you can purchase a new domain directly through Hostinger. It's quick and straightforward. After that, Hostinger will ask how you'd like to build your website. Select Hostinger Website Builder. This tool is perfect for beginners and even advanced users who want to save time. From here, you get access to professional templates that you can fully customize. Use the drag and drop editor to add your content, text, images, and even integrations. It's user-friendly and you don't need to touch a single line of code. Here's a quick pro tip. Always preview your site before publishing. This lets you double-check the design, layout, and functionality to make sure everything looks perfect for visitors. Once you're happy, hit Publish. And just like that, your new website is live. And there you go. Adding a new website in Hostinger is that simple. To wrap up, we logged in, added a website, entered domain details, used the website builder, customized the design, and published it in just a few easy steps. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new website.